Okay guys, so sorry about how I look. So tonight I'll be reviewing the new beauty blender, the new Saphire beauty blender, and I'll be using this to apply my foundation. Now one thing I can say with this beauty blender is that it's a lot more softer than the pink one and the black one. This one, like, look at that, it is so crunchy. Even when it's dried, it's still soft. It's not like the black or the pink that has a bit more dense to it. Guys, my face look all jacked up right now, but excuse that. So yeah, so I am loving this. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'll be using this beauty blender for the very first time. So let's see how this product works. And this retails for $20 on Sephora and on the beauty blender website. So let's get into this. People, so I am finished. I am back. So oh, my lippy is like stripping away, but whatever. So my thoughts on the new beauty Saphire blender is that I freaking love it. I freaking love it. It makes blending out my foundation, like my concealer, like it blends it like a dream. Like it blends it like a literal dream. I love this, guys. You saw when I was doing my concealer and it went like right up in there, but I think it's because it's so soft. It's like it feels so cushiony on my skin, like right on my under eye. So this is gonna be a staple for me. Like this is a must. It's dirty now. I'm gonna go and clean it actually when I'm done filming, but I do recommend if you guys are into purchasing beauty blenders. I know they're a bit on the price point, but I tell you, it blends your foundation like a dream. Like look at my foundation tonight. Like my foundation is so freaking gorgeous. Like I'm looking freaking airbrushed. So anyhow guys, that is my review on the new Saphire beauty blender, and it retails for $20 again on Sephora.com. but if you guys don't want to spend $20 on a beauty blender, you can always resort to Sephora brand. They have beauty blenders on Sephora as well that they sell for a cheaper and inexpensive price, as well as Real Techniques. I own 2 Real Techniques beauty blenders and they are freaking amazing. So anyhow guys, I do love you all and I will see you in my next video. Love you.